Hello lovelies and welcome to my channel. So, if you're looking for drinks that are rich in collagen to help achieve glowing skin, here are a few options you can consider, so don't skip the video and watch until end. 1. Bone broth. Bone broth is a great source of collagen, as it is made by simmering animal bones and connective tissue. It's packed with amino acids and minerals that promote healthy skin. 2. Green smoothies. Include ingredients like spinach, kale, cucumber, and celery in your smoothies. These leafy greens are rich in vitamins A and C, which are essential for collagen production. 3. Citrus juices. Citrus fruits like oranges, lemons, and grapefruits are high in vitamin C, which plays a vital role in collagen synthesis. Squeeze fresh juice or make a refreshing citrus-infused water to boost your collagen intake. 4. Berry smoothies. Berries such as strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries are loaded with antioxidants that protect the skin from damage. They also contain vitamin C and other nutrients that support collagen production. 5. Green tea. Green tea is known for its numerous health benefits, including its ability to promote collagen production. It is rich in antioxidants called catechins, which help maintain healthy skin. 6. Coconut water. Coconut water is not only hydrating but also contains minerals and antioxidants that support collagen synthesis. It can be consumed on its own or used as a base for smoothies. 7. Aloe vera juice. Aloe vera is renowned for its soothing and healing properties. Drinking aloe vera juice can help improve skin elasticity and promote collagen production. 8. Fish broth. Similar to bone broth, fish broth is made by simmering fish bones and skin. It is a good source of collagen, omega-3 fatty acids, and minerals that contribute to healthy skin. 9. Pomegranate juice. Pomegranate juice is packed with antioxidants that protect the skin from free radicals. It also contains vitamin C, which aids in collagen synthesis and helps maintain skin elasticity. 10. Cucumber and mint-infused water. Cucumber is known for its hydrating properties and contains silica, a mineral that supports collagen production. Adding fresh mint leaves to cucumber-infused water adds a refreshing flavor and additional antioxidants. 11. Kiwi smoothie. Kiwi is a fruit rich in vitamin C, vitamin E, and antioxidants, all of which contribute to collagen formation and protects the skin from oxidative stress. 12. Tomato juice. Tomatoes are a good source of lycopene, an antioxidant that enhances collagen strength and protects the skin from UV damage. Fresh tomato juice can be consumed on its own or mixed with other juices. 13. Carrot and ginger juice. Carrots are rich in beta-carotene, which converts to vitamin A in the body, promoting healthy skin. Adding a touch of ginger to the juice adds anti-inflammatory properties that can benefit the skin. If you like my video, then subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.